Good morning, student. I am Ranjit Bora. I will discuss class 4 chapter number 1, the face and climate of our country. In my early class, I discussed already this paragraph. So today, I will discuss only my life portions of this paragraph. So before going to discuss this paragraph, I want to repeat again the main points of the early paragraph. So what is the main points? In this paragraph, we found actually the locations of Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Oceans, Kanyakumari, the state of Jammu and Kashmir, where compared with a crown, why India is compared with a kite. Okay, the distance from north to south, the distance from east to west, that kinds of the issues we discuss in the early paragraph, in this paragraph. Okay, so today I am going to discuss the left portions of this chapter. So let's go reading this paragraph. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Russian Federation, Canada, China, United States, Brazil and Australia are bigger in size, but in terms of population, India occupies the second place. China has more people than India. So, if you goodly read this paragraph, then you will find that in here mention 2 points. In one point, it focuses that the size of India. If you compare the size of India, then you will find the positions of India is 7. Again, if you compare the world populations of India, then India position is 2nd and China position is the 1st. Now come exercise part of this chapter. Why do we call India to be a beautiful country? Students, we already got this answer in the first paragraph, because in that paragraph already mentioned India is a beautiful country because it's look like a kite. Do you know why it's compared with a kite? Because if you see the top and bottom, that both positions are narrow. Again, in the middle part of the wide. Therefore, it's look like a kite. So, India is a beautiful country on the base of geographical point of view. Clear? So, next come question number 2. Which state is the crown on Mother India's head? I already mentioned that Jammu and Kashmir is compared Mother India's head because it's situated on the top of the map. Second, which city makes the southernmost trips of India? I already mentioned in here, Kanyakumari is the southernmost trips of India. Name the island which are part of India. Many times I repeat that 2 islands are connected southern part of India. One is Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep. Okay, but both are connected with Indian Oceans. So if you want to directly give the question's answer, then definitely you write what? The 2 islands are Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep. Okay. So this is the concluding portions of this chapter, and I discuss this exercise. In my next video, I will discuss question numbers B. So today I am going to ending this video. Thanks to all and have a nice day. Thank you.